Hey, it's Eran here. I'm doing a quick tutorial on using the menu. So I'm going to just create a menu. Basically, what you do is you simply add an empty block, and then you click on Widget, drag the menu in, and once you're in, you can add items. So I'm just going to add a bunch of items just for the sake of it. It doesn't matter what they are. Okay, and I'm going to add, let's say, 8 of them. So this is going to be a lot. Okay, it's going to look a little bit big. Now, the way this works is you can edit the menu, and what that means is when you edit the menu, that's just adding more items. Now, what you can do is you can create sub-menus. Now, the way to create sub-menus is you drag it like that until it opens up this way, right? And you'll see it will start to reduce, basically, right? Now, you'll see that there's 1, 2, 3. With 3 sub-menu under the middle one. Now, I'm going to now click on Edit Styling. Now, you can do vertical, okay? Or you could do horizontal, or you could do burger. You could do however you want it, right? Now, on the sub-menu, you can now change things. So, for example, you can change the text, change the color, okay? So let's just make the color different. Let's make it pink. And the hover color, and you can say add shadow to the sub menu or add border, okay? And you can add a specific border. Now, on that, you can also create it so you've got different styling for that sub menu. So the way this works is I'm going to save this. I'm going to refresh the page, okay? And you see it right here. And you see when I hover over it, it shows automatically those items, okay? Now, understand here, if I want to change it, I can say I don't want to add a border. I don't want to see a border. I don't want to add a shadow, okay? And I want the text color to be purple, right? And I want the hover color to be red. So I'm going to click on it again. I'm going to save it. I'm going to refresh. And now when I hover over it, the colors are different, okay? Basically. Now, let's just say that I want to make this a menu, okay? So I could do a menu like that. And notice you've got here wrap border around each item or show border below each item. Now, this makes a difference. So when you're saving, I'm going to save it. You'll see it right here. And if I'm going to click on it, it will pop up right here on the side, okay? Now, if I want it to be shown right below it, I'm going to go here, click on Edit Styling, show border below each item, okay? And then I'm going to save changes like that. And now, if I click on it, oh, let me just refresh, sorry. Hang on, I must have done something wrong. Yeah, there you go. So now when I click on the sub-menu color settings, sub-menu position, pop up next to the menu item or inline below the menu item. So I'm going to do that. Okay, just going to make this a bit smaller so it doesn't look so big. All right, I'm going to refresh. Now when I click on it, it will pop up right under it. Okay, so that's how you can create the menus. And that's really applicable, especially if you're setting up a simple online course. Then that's a great way to do it, basically. So you've got module 1, module 2, module 3, for example, right? So you can change the name, module 1, module 2, module 3. That's kind of how it's applicable if you wanted to set things up that way. It's a great way to do it, okay? So I'm going to refresh again, click on this, and it will pop up, okay? In terms of changing what's inside, all you got to do is click on the menu, and click on this, click on the edit, and you can choose to go to a specific page or an external page or whatever it is you want to do. There you go. Hope that helps, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.